show you some of the features that it comes in the machine. Okay, so these are the embroidery features that it comes with. Click here, click on flower. So these are some of the designs. They're very cute. Some of the designs that comes with the PE900 that you could use. Okay, and I'm going to click this arrow is the back button. I'm going to click the back button, and the same thing here. Click the back button, and let's see, they got more designs here. Cute. And click the back button, and then you have like fonts. You got fonts here, cute. I'll press the back button, and then they have like 6 fonts that you could use. Okay. Well, actually, they have more than 6. 6 plus 12 is 18. They have like 18. Well, no, they don't. They have 12. Let me click. They have a total of 13 fonts.